So, what are the best penny stocks to buy on January 2nd, 2025? By the way, Happy New Year to you all, and good luck trading on the stock market. So, number one recommendation is Carmel Corporation, stock symbol CTCX. It is up today 198% or 54 cents, trading at 82 cents a share. Since this morning, it already traded 238 million shares in the first 90 minutes since the market opened. Market cap for the company is only about $45 million. So what can I tell you about this company? Well, I mean, I'm not sure what they do based on the name of the stock, but the only thing I could tell you is that about 6 months ago, it used to trade at almost $2. Then, basically, it couldn't produce any kind of good news, and the stock collapsed all the way to like 20 cents. And while it was collapsing, nobody was trading it. It was really kind of unknown stock, and it was almost like on its way to be delisted. However, some kind of news arrived today, and suddenly the stock is like number one stock on the market. I mean, it looks like a lot of new buyers came in, because otherwise it's hard to explain 241 million shares in trading volume, you know. Plus, it looks like even if you jump in right now at 92 cents and the upside potential is $2, I mean, you could still make almost 100% on your money if this thing goes back to its previous levels. So if I were you, I would definitely take a look and see what this company does, what kind of news they released, and if this news are powerful and promising enough for the future benefits of the company, then obviously you should probably put some money into it. So, Carmel Corporation, stock symbol CTCX, only 94 cents a share. Next one is N2OFF Inc. Stock symbol NITO. It is up today 193% or 48 cents, trading at 73 cents a share. Since this morning, it already traded, listen to this, 351 million shares in the first 90 minutes. Market cap for the company, though, is around $50 million. So what can I tell you about this company? Again, 6 months ago, it used to trade around 60 cents. Then it collapsed all the way to 10 cents. Nobody cared about the stock. Nobody was trading it. So, and it wasn't really going anywhere. So whatever news they released today, it's like very, I guess, very powerful, very positive news for the company, because, you know, when yesterday or in the last 6 months we had nobody, you know, really trading that stock, maybe a few hundred shares a day, then suddenly we have 352 million shares being traded. So something substantial is happening with that company. So if I were you, I would take a look and see what's going on there, and maybe put some money into it. But just be careful that if you decide to pull the trigger and buy it at 74 cents a share, then you're buying at 6 months high. So that's kind of dangerous, because if whatever news that propelled that stock all the way to this 6 month high, if they don't work out, then you could be in a high risk of the stock to collapse back to its previous levels, and you're losing quite a bit of money. So be careful with this thing. So N2OFF, stock symbol NITO, only 74 cents a share. Next one is Crown LNG Holdings Limited, stock symbol CGBS. It is up today 96% or 79 or 38 cents, trading at 78 cents a share. Since this morning, it already traded 245 million shares. Market cap for the company, though, is roughly around $700 million. So what can I tell you about this company? Well, if you notice, there's a word LNG in its name. LNG stands for liquidate, whatever, natural gas. It's when you take the gas, natural gas, and make a liquid out of it, and then transport it to the places where they could actually, burn this gas for electricity or for whatever needs they need to. So the main thing is LNG market is about to go up pretty substantially, because United States is producing LNG for Europe, because Europe is no longer consuming natural gas from Russia. So it needs to be replaced with something, and LNG is the pretty much only thing you could replace this gas that was pumped from Russia. So the good thing here is that if you decide to pull the trigger and get into this LNG stock, and you buy it at 79 cents, well, guess what? 6 months ago it used to trade at $3.60. So there is a chance that if you buy it at 80 cents and it goes to, let's say, 360, you could make 3 times your money. So it could be very interesting investment opportunity. So if I were you, I would take a look and maybe put some money into it. So Crown LNG Holdings Limited, stock symbol CGBS, only 81 cents a share. Next one is All Set Inc., stock symbol AEI. It is up today 68% or 70 cents, trading at $1.72. Since this morning, it already traded 36 million shares. Market cap for the company, though, is roughly $30 million. So what can I tell you about this company? Well, I mean, it's kind of like a very volatile company, because it used to trade 6 months ago $1.20, then it went all the way to like 80 cents, then it went to $1.80. So it was going up and down like crazy. So, but the main thing is that it was moving on such big volumes, but not on such big changes in price, but on very small volume. So not a lot of people are trading it. So whatever news arrived today, that's triggered a pretty much kind of like a trading volume tsunami, where the stock that was not traded at all for the last 6 months suddenly produced 35 million shares in trading volume, which kind of tells you that the stock is attracting a lot of new buyers who are trying to put some money into it, hoping it's going to go even higher. So if I were you, I would take a look at the company, see what's going on there, maybe put some money into it. So All Set Inc., stock symbol AEI, only $1.74 a share. Next one is Revelation Biosciences, stock symbol REVB. It is up today 39% or 18 cents, trading at 64 cents a share. Since this morning, it already traded 99 million shares. Market cap for the company, though, is about $10 million. So this is a typical pharmaceutical penny stock based on the word biosciences in its name. So 6 months ago, it used to trade around $2. Then I guess they couldn't produce any kind of good positive results, so the stock collapsed all the way to like 30 cents. However, they finally released some kind of good news, and suddenly the stock is producing, almost 100 million shares in trading volume and a very nice 39% price gain. So apparently they probably released some kind of positive results for the clinical trial, so maybe they're getting approved for the medication. But in any case, the stock market is very hot about the company. So if I were you, I would take a look at, maybe put some money into it. So Revelation Biosciences, stock symbol REVB, only 64 cents a share. So thank you for your time. and good luck trading, and a happy new year again. Thanks.